Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you how to schedule your tweets on twitter.com. Now this only works at the time that I'm recording this on twitter.com and it does not work on the mobile app. So jump into twitter.com, log into your account, and let me go ahead and press this tweet option to compose a tweet and type out your tweet here. And right here, there's this little option for scheduling your tweets. Again, hopefully this comes to the mobile app soon, but click it and all you have to do is pick the date. So let's say I want to schedule this for tomorrow, for example. So I could pick tomorrow's date here and then you could pick the time of day. Again, this is based on your time zone. You set this up when you created your account. So you could find this in the account setting and then you could press confirm right on top. And then you'll have to press schedule right over here. And this tweet will be posted tomorrow. If you want to see your scheduled tweets, again, you could press the tweet option here, go to this calendar icon and then see scheduled tweets on the bottom. And it's going to show you all the ones that you scheduled for the future and all your drafts. And you could jump in here and edit those anytime if you change your mind. So in this case, I'm going to select this one. And if I change my mind, I could go ahead and delete it right over here. And it's that simple to schedule tweets on twitter.com. Thanks so much for watching. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos every single day, so please consider subscribing and I'll see you next time.